Back again.
This is Bent E, a familiar face on the job. The unofficial safety representative.
38.
Smart, experienced, efficient.
On your way.
And very quick on his feet, too. He knows all the tricks.
Yes. Can't you find anyone else to poke that thing at? I'm kind of busy. If it's got to go up, it's got to go up.
What about safety?
What?
What about job safety?
Safety. Safety's not a problem. I've been doing this for years. I know the game inside out. Up and down the scaffolding. There's nothing to worry about. Just have to use your head. What I can tell you is that it builds up your muscles. Just a sec. Thank you. I ain't got time for this filming. How hard can it be? The most important is that you get the start. You get the basics right, or whatever you want to call it. 62.
62.
Yep. And now we're putting down these standards here on base plates so we don't ruin the nice cobblestones. Then we have to make sure the whole thing is level, right, from the beginning, see? But that's not a problem for me. I'm used to setting up scaffolding. Then I'll carry out a WRA, work risk assessment. Anyway, now I've done one of those, let's get cracking. We'll have to say it a couple at a time. Normally I'd carry these over my shoulder, you know. Nah, just kidding. Yep, now it's plumb and horizontal. You can build anything you like on top. It's a piece of cake. That's what I do. You start from the bottom. I've got to do everything myself. Can't get the people. You people are everywhere. Now it's my turn to stand at the bottom. And yeah, supposed to wear a helmet, but I left mine on top, but he's got a good pair of hands. I'm sure he won't drop anything. Shall I load the lift now? When you set up scaffolding, then the access routes are supposed to be clear. I'm not in charge of this bicycle shop, am I? The work gang I'm in, it's just the two of us, right? So, we really have to work as a team, right? And sometimes we try to see who could carry the most and that kind of thing. But I can tell you right now, it's pretty tough trying to outlift Bent E. These bars, like the ones you see, they're supposed to be transported on a trolley, right? But that takes time, so I just lift them up the old way. Anyway, I don't have any more time to talk to you. When you talk about scaffold builders, then the first thing you think about is that, of course, the higher you climb, the further you fall, but that's right. When you look over the edge here, it's a long way down, as they say. And if you take one of these connectors, as they're called, and drop it over the edge, it's in the habit of falling, right? And if a guy down below thinks it's a football and tries to edit, then he's going to wake up with a nasty headache for the next couple of days. He's wearing a helmet, of course, so no worries, really. Just think what you're doing. The thing about this kind of scaffolding here is that it has to go up and come down. This old-fashioned hand pulley like the one I'm holding, it's a lot quicker, and you need a bit of duct tape on the snap hook here. Then it really speeds it up. Yep, it's coming. It's a lot easier. When you take scaffolding apart, then it's important that the things you've lowered, that you move them out of the way so that all the, as they say, routes are accessible. It's very important that you tidy up as you go along. Hey, watch out there. Obviously it's important you make sure that passers-by, that you keep them back if you're working so they don't get hit on the head by something. Sorry, I don't have any more time to talk to people. I've got some tidying up to do. There you are again, you never give up. When Bentley gets his act together, he really does. Time is money and money's time. Safety ain't no problem. Okay, so there's a bit of lifting and pulling and free fall from a couple of meters up. No worries. There really isn't, is there? Job's fine once you get used to it. Probably, so there ain't no problem. Oh, you're back.